If you're thinking of painting your house, you're probably going to have a situation like we have here with the dormers, where the only access to some parts of the house is on the roof, which is a good opportunity for some spilled paint.
That's right, Danny. When you're working up on a roof like this, of course, there are no flat surfaces, so what do you do with the can of paint? The last thing you want to do is spill any on the roof. I mean, you can imagine getting paint in these asphalt shingles.
That would be bad.
You'd never get it up.
Right.
So all I did is I built a little painting platform out of 3 pieces of 1/2-inch plywood. I used a sliding bevel square and a level to calculate the pitch of the roof. Then I just used it as a guide to build this platform.
But with this steep of a pitch, though, it seems like it would still slide right down the roof.
Well, it would. You see, this is actually pretty secure, and it would if it was just plywood. But if you'll notice what I did here, hold that for me.
All right, sure.
On the bottom side, I took 2 strips of foam rubber
that's
weather
perfect.
stripping.
Okay.
Yeah, you can get it at any hardware store, and it has a self-adhesive strip on the back. So I just put 2 strips, just stuck them on the bottom, and that's really all you need to keep it from sliding down off the roof.
Yeah, that's great. Now, with the screws that you have this assembled with, I guess you could really change the pitch of that for a different pitch roof.
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, when I come down and work on the lower pitch, this is over the front porch, it's only about a 3 pitch. All I have to do is remove the screws, again, use the level to make sure the platform itself is perfectly flat, put the screws back in.
Okay, what if you get a little tired, can you use it as a chair?
I wouldn't use it on a chair unless you want the ride of your life.